What's up, viewers? This is StreetSpeed 717. It's gonna be fucking awesome. Fuck New Jersey. Let's get fuck New York's ass. The fuck, dude? What the fuck? I can't fucking believe it. I can't fucking believe it, dude.
Oh my fucking god, I can't believe it either. How can StreetSpeed 717 say so many swear words, yet still be monetized, yet still get paid, yet still be in the YouTube network partnership program? What? What am I fucking doing wrong? Should I just start fucking swearing like this? No, that's definitely not the answer, guys. On today's video, we're going to be talking a little bit about StreetSpeed 717 and how he came from rags to riches. So StreetSpeed 717, the first video he made was about 3 years ago, and currently he has around 855,000 subscribers. This guy came out of nowhere, started making daily videos later on, and now he's making a bunch of money, roughly around $30,000 a month, which is unanimous, which is crazy. That's a lot of money. But then again, you work hard, you play hard, you can achieve it.
While you're gonna wake up and work hard at it, nothing is impossible.
Now the craziest thing that I want to talk to you guys about, okay, before I even talk to you guys about that, his first YouTube video, link in the description. Go ahead, smash that like button on my video, okay, before anything else. But once you go to his channel, type in the comment section BULLI Kid. That's all you're gonna have to write. Just type in BULLI Kid. We're gonna stack those comments up until he notices me, until he reaches out to me, until me and StreetSpeed meet up and I'm there driving a 720. Sounds good, right? Anyway, you guys don't want to see his video. That video he first made was such low quality. I mean, dude was swearing everywhere, left and right. Granted, he was excited about his new Corvette purchase. I would be excited too, right? But his GoPro, he was using a GoPro at that time, probably a 3 or a 4 at that time. Seems like he had it in a waterproof housing. Every time he just moved that case around, this thing sounded terrible. I mean, the audio is not usable whatsoever. It's hard to watch that video, but I spent the last 3 minutes watching it. Again, link in the description for his video. Comment BULLI Kid in his description. Let's see what happens. But the dude, I'm proud of him. I've been watching him for a long time. He went from Corvette to another Corvette, to another Corvette, to a ZR1, to a McLaren. And he's just building up as he goes along. He provides pretty cool content. He seems like an honest guy. Much respect for him. And he's a one-man crew for the most part. Yeah, he met up with Diablo 4 Racing. He met up with Guitar Armageddon ZR1. He met up with InShane Designs. But for the most part, he's filming by himself. He's editing by himself from what I know. And he's using a GoPro throughout the last 3 years of his career. Yes, guys, he's created a 6-figure income doing interesting things about cars, but he's using a GoPro. And I know content creators are always trying to make awesome footage using the best quality cameras and lighting and everything. I mean, he's using a $350 GoPro with no external mic, with no cage, and he's getting it done. So if you're a content creator, guys, just create something interesting, create an audience, and carry it forward. He's a perfect example, and I respect the guy. GoPro gang, just like we are right here using a GoPro Hero 6 with an external audio mic. In my description below, you guys, I want you to comment below who's your favorite car automotive YouTuber. Who do you guys watch and have been following for the longest time? Like I said, StreetSpeed 717, he's been one of my guys that I've been watching for a long time, and I'm proud of this guy, man. He worked hard, he played hard, and now he's sitting in a McLaren, still working hard, bringing in a lot of money. But again, as you guys all know, in the business world, it takes money to make money. Anyway, BULLI Kid's checking out. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing down below. Smash that like button once again, and comment BULLI Kid on SpeedStreet 717's original YouTube video. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true.